Wise Men Gift. Benefits of Myrrh Gum Capsules, 500 mg. Commiphora Myrrh from Yemen with certificate of origin inspected by the Yemeni Department of Agriculture, stamped by the Chamber of Commerce, guaranteeing its origin and authenticity. Benefits of Myrrh Gum Capsules: reduce indigestion and respiratory conditions with Myrrh Gum 500 mg capsules. This dietary supplement may also destroy harmful bacteria in your body and combat inflammation. ODOROUS, Anti-microbial, Expectorant, Stimulant, Carminative, Stomachic, Immune Booster, Tonic, Anti-inflammatory, Anti-spasmodic, Emmenagogue, Sedative, Pulmonary Tonic. Medicinal, Anti-microbial, Astringent, Anti-fungal, Stimulant, Carminative, Stomachic, Anti-catarrhal, Anti-septic, Immune boosting, Tonic, Anti-inflammatory, Emmenagogue, Diaphoretic, Vulnerary, Circulatory, Balsamic, Cicatrisant, Fungicidal, Digestive, Pulmonary Tonic. Myrrh Gum Capsules reportedly is a tree resin offering many health benefits. It could potentially boost circulation, improve digestion, reduce swelling, and keep away skin conditions. Studies reveal that Myrrh Gum also activates the immune system and fights viral infections. It may help remove mucus and phlegm from your lungs, reduce congestion, and support easy breathing. Myrrh Gum Capsules in this dietary supplement could potentially relieve teeth and gum conditions, fight bad breath, and reduce mouth soreness. It may also stimulate menstrual flow in women and alleviate joint pain, cramps, and relieve spasms. Reports suggest that Myrrh Gum works as a mild sedative to promote restful sleep at night and keep away symptoms of low mood. Make Myrrh Gum 500 mg capsules a part of your diet, and it may increase sweating to detoxify your body, support digestive health, and reduce flatulence. Suggested use: take 1 to 2 capsules, 1 to 2 times daily as needed with food. Important: these statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration, FDA. These products are not meant to diagnose, treat, or cure any disease or medical condition. Please consult your doctor before using these during pregnancy or if you have a serious medical condition.